Hello everyone, I'm Claire from Claire's Crafty Tutorials. Now today I'm going to be working with a new stone for me. This is called Blue Tiger's Eye. It's a very beautiful bead. Blue Tiger's Eye is a symbol of strength. They are also known to encourage communication, mental clarity and inner peace. I'm just going to make a beaded bracelet using these, but I'm also going to make one using these silver beads. I really do think the silver enhances the blue, in my opinion, better than gold. So these are 8mm and the silver beads are 4mm. I'm going to be using, I've got some 0.6 elastic. What I do want to say, one way you can tell that it's real, these are a close-up, and tiger's eye will have yellows and greys, very similar to labradorite. So first of all, I'm just going to thread the beads. So I'm just going to do a plain bracelet first of all, and then you can have a look at the end and see what you think when teamed with the silver beads. Now, whether you're into spiritual or energy healing, even if you are not, it's still a lovely bracelet to wear and a lovely colour to work with. There's a line of blue on there. It's also used as a talisman for protection and good luck when travelling. So people will incorporate it in jewellery for travellers. I could take one bead off, but it's just over 7 inches. Give it a stretch. Let's do a surgeon's knot over twice. One the other way, and one for luck. This is 0.6 elastic. I'm not sure if I said that. Snip it off, and then you can hide. It's already gone inside the bead. So there is that one. So now I'm going to make one using the silver beads, which really do bring out the colours. 7 inches in length. No silver bead there, so we must end with a silver bead. Give it a stretch. Surgeon's knot, go over twice. One the other way. And one for luck. So that time I have used I've used 15 beads that time. So that would be, so by incorporating the silver, I'm just hiding the knot, so incorporating the silver beads will make it cheaper to make. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel. I have got lots of tutorials available. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.